In this video, we'll see how to make delicious pasta using plain mayonnaise. It is very quick and tastes awesome. In a pan, boil some water, so the water should be enough to boil the pasta. And once the water starts boiling, add some salt as per taste. And then add 1 cup fusilli pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice. And you need to boil till the pasta is cooked. Do not overcook the pasta. So this is done. So drain the pasta but keep some water because we're going to use that in the sauce. Now in a pan, heat 2 teaspoon oil. And to that add 1 teaspoon butter. I'm using salted butter. Then add 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic and saute for a few seconds, like 10 or 15 seconds. And then add 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion. On medium to high flame, you need to saute till the onions become slightly pink in color. Now add 1/4 cup boiled sweet corn and 1 medium-sized finely chopped capsicum. Saute for a few seconds, we do not want to overcook this. Then add a little bit of salt. 1/4 cup plain mayonnaise. You can use egg mayonnaise or eggless mayonnaise as per your choice. Now 1/4 cup plus a little more water. So this is the water which we had used to boil the pasta. You can also use regular water, but it's good if you keep some pasta water aside and use that to make this sauce. Now I'm adding 3 cheese slices. You can also use the cheese cubes which we get in the market. But cheese slices melt very quickly and give you a very nice smooth sauce. That's why I like to use cheese slices. So after mixing the sauce well, I'm adding a little bit of salt. You can taste and adjust the salt. Now add the boiled pasta. Now add half teaspoon oregano. You can also use mixed Italian herbs. Half teaspoon chili flakes or as per your taste. Just cook for 2 more minutes between medium to high flame. And this pasta is ready. It's very quick and it tastes awesome. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.